Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, oh my god, I got like too many bonuses which were stacking together, and it was like almost like $23-24 money maker, which is really awesome. And the greatest thing is, like even without going to Walmart, like because that one is somewhat hectic for me. It's somewhat far and I have to travel a little, but that's okay, just like 3 miles or something like that. But still, it's not about distance. But I don't know, when I go to Walmart, oh my god, I get diverted on so many things, and I like keep roaming and waste a lot of time, even like without buying so many things. So I was really happy, like to find these things, like without going to Walmart. So yes guys, so before entering into the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if somebody is new here, welcome to my channel. If somebody is returning subscriber, thanks so much for encouraging me as always. And like I'll just go through all the deals. And if somebody is new to Ibotta, don't forget to use my referral code, which I'll be posting here, like on the in the description box, or maybe on the screen. I don't know, I'll just do one of those. So yeah, these are from different stores, so I'll just walk through all the details one by one. So I also have my return breakdown ready. So yeah, first let's go with let's go with Whole Foods, because there are only two items. So yeah, these two are from Whole Foods, this Monk Pack and this Tasty. So yeah, here is the breakdown for that. So the first deal is on this Tasty. So for Tasty there are two different rebates. So you can do one in Whole Foods, and the other one you can do in Safeway. So these are two different rebates. These are totally different, but you have to buy two different, because one rebate attaches to the like it attaches only to Whole Foods, and the other one attaches only to Safeway. So you can do just like two rebates. You have to buy two products in two different product in stores, and two different rebates. So yeah, this is the one. So this is priced at $1.79 at Whole Foods, but it's on sale for $1.59, and Ibotta is giving back $1, making this just 59 cents. And I got a whole bunch of them because it's keep on like resetting, so I just got one for now. So the second one is on this Monk Pack. I don't know why, but it was free again in my app. It showed like free after offer, so check for that. So this is priced at $2.49, and I got back $2.49 from Ibotta, making it completely free. So here are the two rebates. So yeah, now let's jump on to Safeway. Safeway was like pretty good, like this week. Like these deals were like awesome. Like I was really happy to find these. So the first deal is on So Delicious pairings, this one. So that's priced at $2.29 regularly, but it's on sale for two for $3, means which is $1.50. And I got back $1.15 from Ibotta, making it just 35 cents. So that was pretty awesome. And the second deal was on this Clio Greek yogurt bar. I had it before. It tastes really good. So it's regular priced prices $1.49, but it's on sale for 99 cents, which is awesome there itself. And I used a 25-cent coupon from their website, Clio website, and I got back 50 cents from Ibotta, making it just 24 cents for this one. So the next deal is on this Bob's bar. Actually, this was a pretty good deal. It was a slight money maker. So that's usually priced at $1.99, but it's on sale for $1.25. So there's a digital coupon in Safeway app, which you have to clip and use your phone number at checkout for 75 cents. So brings your total down to 50 cents, and Ibotta is giving back $1, making it a free and a 50-cent money maker. So that was awesome. The next deal was on this Tasty. It was more cheaper in Safeway. So it was priced at $1.33, and I was giving back $1, making it just 33 cents. And the cereal deals are awesome these days. Like that's really awesome, like to get a free cereal. Sorry guys. So this Post Oreos, so this cereal is usually priced at $4.99, but it's on sale for for people who have this club membership. It's free. You can just sign up by giving your mail ID, and you're good to go, like your phone number. So with club price it's going to be $1.38, and this it's the same with this one too, but these two are different rebates. One is on Post Oreo O's, and the other one is on Post Chips Ahoy. Where are we? Yep, sorry. So yeah, these are priced at $1.38 each. So the limit was 4. Like you can buy 4 different items related to Post cereal, like the brand Post. So these both are from Post. So I can buy 2 for $1. I mean each for $1.38. So for one box I paid $1.38, got back 50 cents, and also got 10 cents for any cereal, making the this box just 78 cents. And as I didn't get 10 cents again for any cereal, so this box was 88 cents. So yeah, that was awesome. I get to try new cereals. Next, let's move on to Sprouts. Sprouts was also pretty good, but I have to spend a little more out of pocket, but that's okay, because by the end of the day it's going to be free. So yeah, so the next deal is on this Cliff Ignite. This one, I did this deal many times and it tastes really good. So this is priced at usually it's for priced at $2.99 or something, I guess. So it's on sale for $1.99, and I was giving back $2, making this one completely free. And the next deal is on this burrito, breakfast burrito, Baja breakfast burrito. It's a plant-based, and I think it contains eggs, so just look out for ingredients on what you eat. So these burritos are priced at usually I think they're priced at like $3.99 each or something. So there's a sale going on for buy two, each for $2.99. So I bought 2 because I wanted to use a buy one get one digital coupon which is available in Sprouts. So I used that, and for both I just paid $2.99. There itself it's like good deal for that breakfast burrito. It's huge and I think it will be tasty. I don't know, I never tried, but yeah. And I got back 75 cents on each. So as I purchased 2, I got 2 75 cents, which is equal to 150. So the final price for both was $1.49, or like just 75 cents each. And the next one is on this Phage split cup, Phage total split cup. So yeah, that one is priced at $1.50. Regularly it's $1.99, and I was giving back 55 cents, making it 95 cents. And the next deal is on this Luna bar. It says any Luna bar, so I just picked up this mashups because I think previously I tried one. I got a free sample for lemon and blueberry sample. I guess that was very tasty. I did not find the exact flavor, so I thought I'll just go with mashups. I just scanned the barcode and it said it matches because it says any Luna bar. It doesn't matter if it's mashups or not. So I think it's usually priced at $1.99 or $2. I don't have idea, but it's on sale for 99 cents because bars are not going to be 99 cents if I'm not wrong. So it's on sale for 99 cents, and Iber is giving back 50 cents, making it just 49 cents. We'll get back 25 cents from Iberta, making it just 74 cents. Next one is on Cliff Coffee. So this one is priced at is on sale for 99 cents. Usually it's like $1.99 or $1.49, but it's on sale for 99 cents, and Iber is giving back 50 cents, making it just 49 cents. And the next deal is a repeat deal. It's on Zespri, so it's regular priced at $3.99, but it's on sale for $2.98, and there's a $1 digital Zespri coupon, or you can just go to their website and you have to just give your email and you'll get that coupon to your mail. You can just print that and use that too. So you're gonna pay $1.98, and Iber is giving back $1, making it just 98 cents. You can also submit the receipt to Swagbucks, where you can get 100 SB for buying one, which is equal to $1. Makes that completely free. Even if you don't get Swagbucks, it will be just 98 cents for this Kiwi Zespri box. And the next deal is on this Perfect Bar. I got this Perfect Bar rebates again free after offer, so I just went ahead and did that, as it will calculate towards my bonus. So yeah, I just got this one, this trial mix flavor. So this was priced at $1.99, and Iber is giving me and that's from Trader Joe's, and Iber is giving back $1.99, making that completely free. And the next deals are from Target. In Target also I was having this free after offer Perfect Bar, so it was $2.49. but Ibotta is giving back 229, so it was just 20 cents for this perfect bar. And the next deal is on Banza pasta. So it's usually priced at $2.99, but it's on sale for $1.48. And I got back $1 from Ibotta, so makes this box of pasta just 48 cents. So the next deal is on this Good Karma milk. Good Karma milk. So this is tasted, I mean, like, it tastes delicious. So I mean, like, I tried one pack, so I just bought the chocolate one before. I tasted it, it's so good. I thought I'll try with the vanilla one after my rebate reset again. So this is the vanilla one. This one I did not try, but the chocolate one is so good if you wanted to drink something healthy and tasty. So that one is priced at $6.99, almost $7. So there's $1.50 off coupon on their website. You just have to open their website and the coupon will be directly there on their interface. Just have to print it out. And there's a 25% circle offer, so which brings our total down to $3.74 for this one. And Ibotta is giving back $3.19, makes this just 55 cents. Like, there are 6 bottles in there, like 6 of them in there, 6 packs in there, so it will just make like 9 cents each, which is amazing. And the next deal is on a Dollar Tree. I just grabbed one. I think it's going to expire very soon, because when I was going to purchase it showed 2 days, but I don't need many, so I just bought one. The limit was 5. It's going to be like 5 free, which is awesome, but I just got one. So that Lime Away product that was priced at $1, and Ibotta is giving back $1, make it completely free. So after sales and coupons and everything, so how much I paid out of pocket was $31.90, and everything which I got back from Ibotta was $23.97. So in total I paid $7.93 for all these products. But there's also one more great thing here. It's going to be like a $20 money maker. Oh my god, with the bonuses I got, look at that. I got all these bonuses, like, I didn't believe myself, but yeah, I got all of that. So I paid $7.93 for all these products, but then I got these bonuses. For completing this peak bonus, I got $5. I did climb bonus previously, so this peak bonus and this stress bonus are the next 2 levels. So I got a mail saying that there will be 3 levels, so I think this is the second level, this is the third level. So for doing this 20, they also stacked up with these bonuses. So I got a $5 peak bonus, $5 stretch bonus. For August level 2, I got 50 cents, and then I also got amazing bonus. It was a $20 money maker just because of that, which is called sensational bonus. I don't know you guys got it or not, but I just wanted to share, because like, at least these rebates might help you guys to work towards other bonuses. That was the only reason I'm sharing. So the sensational bonus was like, I have to do 20 offers and I'm going to get $20. Oh my god, which was epic. And I got 10 cents for any cereal, and I also got a keep it up bonus for 50 cents. So all my bonuses total comes out to be $31.10, and here we paid $7.93, right? So minus that, it's going to be a 23.17 money maker. Oh my god, that's really amazing. That too without going to Walmart. Oh my god, that's like real relief, guys. Yeah. And the next deal is on this custard sauce. So this one is priced at $6.99. Ibotta is free after offer, but it is not. It's on sale for $6.99. I think its original price is $8 or something, I don't know. And I got back $6 from Ibotta, making it just 99 cents. But that's okay. I just added this to like my money maker, which makes my money maker just like $22 money maker, which is still awesome. And I didn't do these deals, but I really wanted to share. I shared it on Instagram. If you want, you can just go check out, or else I'll just walk through just in a second. So these Jack Link bars, these are priced at $1.49. So check your Field Agent and Swagbucks. So you have to buy 2 for that. It's going to be $2.98. Swagbucks is giving back $3, and Field Agent is giving back $6 for the audit, makes it $9 money maker. After making that 2 products free, you'll be reimbursed for the whole amount. So yeah, it's going to be a $9 money maker. Next, yeah, Hammer toothpaste. These are priced at $2.92. You have to buy 2 for that. It's going to be $5.84. Use $1 of coupons from coupons.com, which is going to bring your total down to $3.84, and get back 500 SB, which is equal to $5 from Swagbucks. Makes it $1.16 money maker. I didn't do these deals, but like I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Maybe you guys might do that. And I'm planning to do this All Armor, but I don't know, it's been a long time. It's been there in Swagbucks. I don't know whether they'll reduce SB or not, something like that. But if you guys want to do, just go ahead and do that. So it's All Armor. You have to buy glass cleaners, which are priced at $3.98. Check with the fine print in Swagbucks. I did not write everything in detail because I didn't do this deal, but I just posted on Instagram. If you want the pictures, just go check out there. So yeah, you have to buy 3 for that, so it's going to be $11.94, and you'll get 2000 SB from Swagbucks, which is equal to $20 minus $11.94 is equal to $8.06 money maker. That's really awesome. I'm really I really wanted to go, but I don't know if I go. I'll just definitely grab that once. And the last one is amazing clearance find, which I never find at all. It's on this Tide Pods. Just look for that like in your apps. So these are regularly priced at $11.97, but it was on clearance for $1. I just grabbed 1, so I was really happy about that. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy my video, and if you have any issues or doubts, please let me know. I'm really happy to help all the time. Sorry guys, so that's it for today. I'll see you guys in next video with if at all I get again some other amazing bonus. Like, I was really excited to do this deal, and to get like a $20 money maker. Wow, that's awesome. So bye for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.